Wish you had more time but can't handle another just wake up earlier tip? In today's Thrive in 5, I'm showing you how to find hidden pockets of time in your day without sacrificing sleep, sanity, or coffee. You are listening to the Thrive in 5 podcast with Cindy Gordon. This is your daily dose of productivity, motivation, and success strategies. I am here to turn your big dreams into actionable goals one step at a time. Ready to make the most of the next 5 minutes? Let's dive in. Let's be real, some of us are not morning people, and even if you are, waking up earlier isn't always the answer when life is already full. So what if I told you you don't need to set your alarm for 5 a.m. to create more time? You just need to use the time you already have more intentionally. Here's how to do it. First, you're going to start with a quick time audit. For one day, jot down everything you're doing every hour. No judgment here, just awareness. Where and when are you doom scrolling? Where are you multitasking but not actually making progress? You'll likely spot 30 to 60 minutes in a day that can be repurposed without waking up earlier. This gives you data to take control. The next thing you're going to do is batch the basics. Group similar tasks together to get them done in one focused block. So instead of checking email all day, check it twice, maybe at 11 and 3 p.m. Instead of cooking daily, maybe you prep 2 to 3 meals at once. Instead of reacting to DMs all day long, respond at a scheduled time. When you batch, you free up more mental space and actual hours. I want you to use your in-between time a little bit better. You don't need to focus a full hour to make progress. Use 10 minutes between calls to tidy your desk. Use 5 minutes in the pickup line to plan for tomorrow. Use 15 minutes in the evening to set your priorities for the next day. These micro pockets of time add up fast when you stop letting them slip by. This works because time isn't just about quantity, it's about intention. When you stop wasting mental energy switching tasks, making decisions, or recovering from distractions, you unlock more productive hours in your day without touching your sleep schedule. Here are your action steps if you are ready to implement this today. Do a one-day time audit and find 30 minutes that you can use better. Choose one task to start batching this week. Identify one in-between time and assign it a simple task. You already have the time. Let's start using it with more intention and without setting the alarm to wake up at 4:30 a.m. Thanks for tuning in to the Thrive in 5 podcast. If you found value in today's episode, I'd love for you to leave a review. It helps more listeners discover the show. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a dose of productivity, motivation, and success tips. And hey, share this episode with a friend that could use a little extra inspiration. Until next time, keep thriving and remember, you've got this.